Hello, friend. Today we are going to look at gate 15. So the gate of extremes or modesty. So gate 15 sits in the G center. So as you notice here, we've had lots of activity in our throat center. And now we go into the G center. So this gate, this modest gate, is actually a love of humanity. There's a potential to love humanity. And there has the full spectrum of human behavior sits here. It's about extreme rhythms. So it's not about a schedule. It's about, today you might get up at 7, tomorrow you might get up at 11, you might eat lunch today at 11 a.m. or, tomorrow you might need to eat lunch or you might eat lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, things like that. It's about really having extreme fluctuations in your schedule, which if you have this gate, perfect. Allow that to happen. So its lack of a fixed pattern ensures that each of us is able to make a contribution to the diverse ways love exists in the world. Love exists, and those that are fearful can't understand the full spectrum of what we consider love. Of course, when you get further into design and understand it a little better, love is kind of a farce, the word itself. And it's all about a yearning for the magnetic monopole that sits in the G center to reunite again with the design crystal that sits in the Ajna center. So others are attracted to you because of your acknowledgement of diversity. There is this magnetism that sits in the 15th gate. So when guided by your authority, gate 15 increases your potential to influence how extreme rhythms or patterns are made modest and are balanced and integrated into the collective. So being in the logical stream, okay, so 52, 9, 5, 15, 7, 31, logic, okay, there's logic there. And there's, the 731 is that logical leader for good or bad, leadership for good or bad. And what's important is that for a leader to be elected, there has to be some kind of air of modesty. And what's funny is that we see this, we see the unhealthy piece of this on the political spectrum. And to me, it doesn't look like modesty, it looks like arrogance. And then those that are modest and are moved into power are here to move us into the future and show the diversity of the spectrum of human beings on this planet and to have the potential to love that full spectrum. So it's again, I love watching design and seeing how it plays out on our planet, and how, the entire mandala, all of this energy is within us. It is just what is activated in you for you to move from, for you to operate from. We're not all here to have the exact same experience. We're all here to have our own. That's why we are unique. What's really funny is if you have the fifth gate and you don't have the 15th, and the fifth gate's pointing up there, you are here to have fixed patterns. You are here to, you know, have a schedule, kind of operate off a schedule, have that fixed rhythm. But what you'll notice is that the not self tells you to, you know, scrap that and get more extreme in your scheduling, in your patterns. All not self. So don't believe it. So if anything in human design intrigues you, inspires you to move forward and be educated in this information, definitely I would love to be able to move you along in that through coaching, an empowered life, career, and business. By understanding yourself, you can move this into your career. You can move this, if you're an entrepreneur, you can move this into your marketing. If you own a business, you can move it into your business as well. Well, it's already there. It's to use it. Use it. All right. Thank you.